Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all keeping well and you're all safe and staying at home. Yay. So guys, we're still in quarantine, but everything you see in this video was purchased prior to the UK going into lockdown. I just like to let you guys know that right from the start. But this is a fun-filled bag full of goodies from Poundland, and I'm going to go straight ahead and show you what I've bought. So the first thing I bought was this gorgeous little bag. It says Feeling Magical, and it has this beautiful iridescent unicorn. So they're £1 each. They're really great and economical, and I use these all the time. I did have a few that broke, so I replaced one of them with this one. So let's go straight ahead and pull some fun stuff out of this bag. So the first thing that I bought today are, guys, I don't know if you know, but the Pound Shop do sell, I'm going to tip you guys down slightly so you can see a bit better, and hopefully my camera doesn't fall. My tripod is really not great, so I'm struggling with this one that I have, so hopefully you guys don't tip over and you can see everything. I don't know if you guys know that the Pound Shop or certain Pound Shops have Pepin Co clothing. I buy a few pieces from their clothing range, and I've always found them to be decent quality. They wash reasonably well, and they are cheap, which is definitely the aim of the game. So the first thing I got was these black leggings. So they're just standard black long leggings. Hopefully you guys can see them. They are very stretchy. I don't wear leggings out, but I do use them for running around the house. They are a little see-through, hence the reason that I wore them around the house. Or in winter, although we're in spring, in winter, I put them underneath my work trousers or my jeans, and they keep me extra warm. So these little leggings, and guys, all the tags for some reason seemed to be off on the things that I bought today. But I have taken a note of the price. So these little leggings were £3 or €3.50, which I think is an awesome deal. I know Primark do leggings for around about £5. They are better quality than the ones you get from Poundland or Pound World. I think it's Poundland. But for me, running around the house, just doing cleaning, or if I want to paint, these are great. So that's my first item. The next item I got was also clothing from Pepin Co. Pepin Co are their own brand. Was this, let me see if I can actually show you guys it. So it's this beautiful little Carkey green. I'm really into the Carkey colors at the minute. This gorgeous Carkey green. You can see it ties at the bottom. Top, and it has this gorgeous almost leaf style detail. It is a little see-through. I don't mind that. I will wear another vest top underneath, but I'm really loving these colors, and I think they're awesome for summer. So this little top I bought cost £5. I think that is an awesome deal. We've got the little straps. I think you can see more of the detail in it now, but for £5 I thought that was pretty awesome. Actually guys, this one was £4. The other one that I got was £5. So this one was £4. I love the little leaf detail, and even if I wanted to wear this running around the house with leggings for £9, not even £7, having a full outfit, that is a bonus. Thumbs up for me. Okay, this top I got, and guys, I'm really sorry that I can't show you more of it, so I'm going to do my best to show you what I can. This little top was £5 from Pepin Co, or €6. You can, let's see if we can get it so I can show you guys. Where's the little tag? Okay, the tag is right here. Brand new. It has this gorgeous ruffle vest top, and then we have, let's see if I can actually show you guys better. So maybe this is better. It has this gorgeous ruffle detail. The only thing I don't like is trying to iron this. I do iron all of my clothes, so I always find this a little bit hard, but we'll get over it because it is this gorgeous green tealy type top. It is see-through. I mean, you could wear this with just a white bra or put a white vest top underneath like I'm going to do. But it is cute. It is super summery. It is about waist length. And for £5, that to me is just super cute. And it screams to me, summer. So I know we're all quarantined. I know we're staying inside. But I still like nice things. So the next two items I got, I'm just going to show you together. I got a pair of Carkey jogging bottoms. These jogging bottoms are super comfy. They have a wider, let me show you, a wider cuff to the leg. They wash exceptionally well. And my favorite part is that they have pockets. I love bottoms that have pockets. You will probably find every pair of trousers that I own, jogging bottoms, work trousers, jeans, whatever, always have to have pockets. I stay away from jeggings because 9 times out of 10, they do not have pockets, which really, really bothers me because I love a good pocket. So we're going to pop that right on top of here. And the next item I got are another set of track bottoms. These are £5, guys, or €6. They have the drawstring at the front, which fully works. They're elasticated for comfort. They have a cute back pocket. And again, the fun cuffed bottoms. So these are super cute, super comfy, and they're fleece lined inside. I don't mind that for spring. In the north of Ireland, we don't get hot weather. We probably max out at maybe 20, 25 degrees in the summer. So having something a little bit of fleece lined is totally fine for us. So they are my Pepin Co. I'm going to try really, really hard to show you guys. They are my Pepin Co. clothing, which I'm super excited about. I'm just going to move this, make a lot of noise. I'm going to maneuver my bag just out of the way a little bit so that I can... It just makes it easier for me to show you guys what I've got. And you can see the clothing right here at the back. The next thing I got were these camouflage flip-flops. These are for my husband. He loves a good pair of flip-flops for running around the house. These are size small, which it says is 10.5. Now my husband's feet are 9, but having them a little bit bigger doesn't bother me. They are made reasonably well, and they cost £1 or €1.50. I think flip-flops are so cute. I love the camouflage. I'm really into camouflage. And so he'll really enjoy those. The next thing I got was these Pepsi Max. These are retail at 89p. There's 375 milliliters. You do get 2 for £1. However, I have already started to drink one. But I love Pepsi Max. So that's always a staple in my bag. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, we have 2 sets of earphones. I go through these like crazy. And I like to keep a set in my bag, a set at home just as a spare. So these are stereo earphones. They're comfort fit. They have a 1.2 meter cable and a 3.5 millimeter jack. I know the new iPhones don't have these earphone jacks, but I really, really like earphones, and I have an Android phone, so it works for me. I buy headphones from the Pound Shop all the time. They're reasonably good, so definitely happy with my double set of earphones. And we're just going to pop those right there. Oh my gosh, we're going to run out of space. So the next thing I got, and yes, I got them from the Pound Shop, but I'm going to show you guys. Whoa. I bought these 4 hair dyes. My hair is two-toned. I have brown at the top with flakes of, or strips of white at the bottom, or blonde at the bottom. So in order, while we're in quarantine, to be able to do my hair, and I know I have enough hair dyes to last me a long, long time. But I bought these 4 hair dyes. I have used these hair dyes before. They are made by Pro Color Plus. Is that right? Let me see. I'm not really sure. They're made by Health Point Limited in England. I've used them before. They're relatively good. I have had no complaints. Just my personal view, £1 each. I think they're pretty awesome, and I will, let's do this. I will continue to use these for as long as the Pound Shop has them. So that's those. Let's see what else we got. We cannot do without our supply of AA batteries. These go into my clocks, into a lot of stuff in my house. So it's always really great to have these on hand. You're getting 11 AA batteries made by Kodak, which is a really good name. They're super heavy duty zinc. And they're £1 for 11, which I think is an awesome bargain. I know that you can get the longer packs. The longer packs that they have are £2, and I think you get double this, or if not more, in the same Kodak. But I only need these. These will do me for quite a while, as I already have some at home. So guys, I bought some chocolate. If you guys have not tasted a Whisper, honestly, it is my duty to tell you guys how delicious it is. These are made by Cadbury's. Cadbury's chocolate is so good. And these are a multi-pack. So I think someone had opened these packs in the Pound Shop, and they were selling 4 for £1. Well, the pack is 4 for £1 anyway. So they just had 4 bars for £1 sitting at the till. I picked up 4 bars. I'm really happy with this. These will be gone before the weekend is over. So the other thing that I like to do with my chocolate, just so you guys know, is that I always put my chocolate in the fridge. I have this thing where I really, really like my chocolate super cold, and I like it to be hard. So I don't want to eat it and have it all over my fingers. So that for me is definitely delicious. I can't wait to get stuck into those. Okay guys, there are only a few more items left to show you. I don't know if you guys use these phone ring holders. I love these. I do find the ones from the Pound Shop don't last that long, maybe a couple of months, but I'm okay with that. They sell these ones at £1. I bought black and silver, but they had a multitude of colors. They had flamingo and unicorns, but I have a unicorn one currently on my phone, and I was just looking for something a little different. They're easy stick. The actual stickiness of these ring holders are outstanding. What I find breaks is the little ring in the inside. The ring comes apart from the actual sticky part. But I have had the one I'm currently using on my phone probably for about 4 months, which is not bad. But I like to have spares just in case. So I picked up 2. Let's throw those right back there. Okay guys, the next thing I have to show you is there are multiples. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. They're falling. 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there is one missing. I'm not sure. But they are, let me throw these down here and I can show you guys just one of them. So they are these solar light panels. They are little mini ones. You get, let me pull this, if I can get this off. So I don't know if this is going to come off. Let's just be a bit more brutal. So we have the little spike that goes into the bottom. And it's just these little mini solar power lights. I really, really like these. Let me just turn it on. I really like these. I don't like too much light in my garden. I don't have a big garden. So these little mini ones are cute. The kids in the street do tend to kick the ball at, I don't know if they're doing it at these, but they tend to kick the ball in my garden a lot. So these get broke all the time. But what I loved about these is you're getting a 2-pack. These did come wrapped, but I unwrapped them. I should have left them so you guys could see, but you get a 2-pack for £1, which I think is outstanding value. I did buy 4 packs. I'm not sure where the other one is gone, but I definitely had 8. So I'm going to put 4 in my front garden and 4 in my back garden. So these are cute and adorable, and they'll match. Let me just pop those right over here, and I'll set one here so you guys can see. Oh, I'm making such a mess. Messy. So guys, one more thing that I have in this Poundland haul for you that I could not resist picking up. I'm not keeping this for myself. I will be giving this away to one of my nieces, but it was so pretty I couldn't walk by it. It's this glitter ball keyring, and you have this super cute keyring, the ball, with pink. I mean, there is a ton of pink glitter. You can see a cute little plastic star, and then this gorgeous little tassel. And I mean, I think that is adorable. That is just super cute, and I know my niece is going to love it. The glitter is movable. So this is, oh, let me show you guys. This is our little key ring. I thought that was adorable and cute for £1. This also came in blue. There was only one pink one left when I purchased it, so I grabbed the pink one. And when quarantine's over, if they have the blue one, I'll probably pick that up as well. The only thing I have noticed is that it doesn't sit quite center. Oh, there we go. On the actual pull, I think it does move off center, but I mean, I don't mind that. This is just a cute little key ring that I really, really like. So guys, that is my Poundland haul. I love everything that I bought. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash that thumbs up like button for me. Every time you guys like my videos, it really does help support my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. Guys, I hope you're all safe. I hope you're all well, and take care, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye bye.